Verifying your bank account on Appcues is an important step to ensure secure transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Appcues application. Launch the Appcues app on your device and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account verification. In the account settings menu, look for the bank account section. Click on Verify Bank Account to begin the verification process. Step 4. Enter bank details. You will be prompted to enter your bank account information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Confirm verification. After entering your bank details, submit the information. You may receive a confirmation message or email once your bank account has been successfully verified. Completing these steps will help you verify your bank account on Appcues efficiently. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.